All right, one of our favorite programs as a developer and an end user is the Percentage Cash program from Schwab. What this program does really well allows a user to download the balances for a particular group, whatever group that might be for them, and then that program data can be converted into our program on a percentage basis with some additional features I'll show you soon. So the basics of all our programs, starting with 1, importing your templates for client restrictions and your disclaimers, covered in a separate video called Basics. Step 2, downloading from the Schwab Advisor Center. We'd love to show you a screenshot and maybe some video grabs. We're awaiting Schwab's allowing us to use their trademark and patented material. Once the basics are done, then you're going to go into folders. That's covered in Basics default folders, what they provide. So we're ready for the program to do its magic. You click on the After Downloading from Schwab button. Program does its macro work. Go to the next tab, and these are all fake accounts, but they're created in a format that allows Schwab's import engine to work with our demo engine. There's a separate video for Basics on just using test sample folders. This particular test sample also has coding in a certain way that allows us to ascertain if it's a taxable or tax-deferred account. Each user should try to verify for themselves. We've been using the program for quite some time, and it seems to be perfectly accurate. But double check. What does that do for a user? What can they decide to do with this program? Well, at the very bottom of the screen, we have 2 tabs. The program has already divided up which counts are taxable and which counts are tax deferred. As a professional trader, one of the groups we've custom created is taxable and tax deferred. And then we imported that into Schwab, so it made the whole process easy. So that you have the results of your percent cash, various tabs, the all positions, the taxable and non-taxable. So what do you want to do with it? We added another feature here in case you want to line item out a particular account. Again, these are all just practice accounts. You can't do any harm. Just highlight, delete, and then when you're ready to export that group, call it again whatever you want, tax-free, and that particular account group will be exported minus that one account. Very simple, customize and tweak. Let's show you what you could do with the data. Using this particular example as percentage cash non-taxable, you could export to a folder. Of course we'd like to proceed. That's exported. And as a group, we're going to name it non-taxable accounts under 100,000. You can name it anything you want. You're going to import it into Schwab as a group. As simple as that. You've just created a shortcut for yourself. Powerful tool. If you just use it a couple times a year, I think it's worth it. We use it all the time. It's a constant program for us. New money comes in, you want to make sure, flag an account that might not make the percentages that you want to have as a portfolio manager for select group accounts. All our Asset Planet tools are designed for professional traders using, in this case, the Schwab edition, to make your life easier. We think this cash percentage is an excellent example of exactly that. Going back to the all position, it's already been segregated top to bottom on who has the most cash and least cash. You exported to a folder earlier. You retrieve that file. You could delete whatever accounts you want. Maybe you want to delete all the accounts under 2.9% or whatever you decide. And you have 1, 2, 50, 75 accounts that you want to think about. This tool will help you quickly segregate it so you don't have to become an Excel expert. We've already done the hard work for you. Asset Planet Percentage Cash Trading Program.